Hello, I'm Jack and welcome to a new video. But wait Jack, isn't it Monday? Yeah it is. Today is a Monday and today is the day that I'm going to start uploading twice a week. Well actually I uploaded twice a week last week, but this week I'm starting my, going to start trying to regularly upload twice a week. That means Monday and Friday, so I'm going to be with you at the start of the week and I'm going to make it to the end. So without further ado, here's an intro card for what I'm going to do on Monday. What's up guys? Yeah, so it's Monday today, so I'm uploading a video and yeah, welcome. So Monday videos are going to be shorter really, so not going to be as much going on. On Fridays I'm going to be more of a vlog or like a movie or something that I like put more effort into. Whereas Mondays are just going to be a bit more chill, like showing you how I do something or chatting or talking about something, yeah, you know. So today we're going to look at the sound design behind the short film I submitted to Moment, which was called Watching. So let's dive into Final Cut now and have a look. Okay, so first thing to do is to look at this, and so you've got over here, you've got the audio set up here, so we've got the dialogue, which I haven't actually used, and I've got voiceovers, the effects and the music. So the voiceovers are actually split into two things. They're called the main, which is this line here, and then the sub, which is this line here. Now the main is the stuff which is like the stuff that comes out through both ears, and the sub is where it like either comes out one ear or the other ear, so that it's a bit more like surround soundy. Let's have a look at the voiceovers first. I made a little compound clip here, so that it had all the audio tracks in there. Let's get rid of that first, of my sounds. So you can, if you listen.
Who are you? Who are you? No really, who do you think you are?
You've got each time I recorded it, so I was on my phone recording, and this is all the voice tracks.
Who are you?
So that I can choose which one would work best.
Who do you think you are? No really, who do you think you are?
Now, so this bit's towards the end. This is where I say I won't let you leave again. Now I've got it 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 different times. So listen to the difference, okay?
I won't let you leave again. 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 I won't let you leave again.
Okay, so that last one goes,
I won't let you.
So it's a bit more I won't, so emphasis on won't. Whereas this one's a bit like a I won't let you leave again, like a bit more in your heart sort of feeling sort of thing. So you've got different ones that I could have worked with. I'm not even sure which one I went for. But when you listen to it here on the main, here's it here.
I won't let you leave again.
I actually went for it twice. I've got the main one going out the main.
I won't let you leave again.
Emphasis on the won't. So like power, and then you've got the accompanied with a very right heavy, so it's coming out this ear. Get rid of that a sec.
I won't let you leave again.
Won't let you leave again, so it's a bit more of a won't sort of thing. That's a bit weird. Now this bit, just listening at the voiceovers, you've got the never escape part, which is where I'm going.
You can never escape. You can never escape. Never escape. Never escape. Never escape. You can never escape.
So because I recorded it so many times, I had so many different ways, and I actually thought that if I put them all in together, it's building on the fact that you never will escape. And it actually works really well if building never escape, never escape, never escape, never escape, like building on the you can never escape sort of thing. And then it actually works really well with where the music is, because at that point we're building, we've got a bit more drum, we've got drums here going on. So I've got the stems here of the music, I didn't mention that. You've got the music which is split into stems, so you've got the melody, the instruments, drums, and then you've got the bass line here. And you can see that the drums have only just come in here, and it's getting a lot heavier now because we've got this melody coming in as well.
You can never escape.
And it's all a lot more heavier, like boom. And the bass is a lot heavier too. And so with these are switching ears each time. None of these, the videos that you see, so you've got this one, have no sound with them. So I've used sound effects from websites, from actually quite a few from Final Cut Pro itself, the inbuilt ones, and then a couple from Epidemic. And if you listen, you just got the, so that wasn't on there, that was just people and like a crowd, and then you got this, the suitcases rolling in. So just to, so it's in the back of your mind, you don't really listen to it, but you still hear the suitcase, which like links the video along with the audio. And then when you go on the plane, you've got the wind as well as the airplane cabin, so it's like you're really out there in the cold, especially when note that shot there with the snow and everything, and you can see the plane each time and you can tell you're on a plane. For this clip we've got the traffic again, and you get it there, you just go whoosh as we go past this person roller skating, and then this bit where the two people are running, you hear the running of the steps, and you also hear the bell, which wasn't like a train bell, crossing bell, which didn't go off, which wasn't actually on the train. But you can hear that, and then when it gets to the end of the clip, that bit where the pitch lowers, it's like getting a bit deeper and darker into this darker clip here, which shows them.
It's just memories and lies, but you can't tell the difference.
Yeah, that bit. And then while that little time lapse of people walking comes in, you get the little sound coming in from the night, the fire, before you even see it. So you've got the idea in the back of your mind. I mean, when you're watching this, you're not even thinking about this. So now when you've got the piano or whatever and the music going, you can't really tell any of this is going on. So let's go from where we started there. You can obviously hear that one because that was quite loud. But the plane you can hardly hear. You can just hear the drone from it slightly coming in. You can hear that one not more, but when you've got because where the voiceovers are here now, let's add the extra letter, you're listening to that and these two here, rather than these two now. So let's listen to that bit.
It's just memories and lies, but you can't tell the difference. You can't run from it.
So you're listening to that and you don't really notice the footsteps or the run.
It's just memories and lies,
the train.
but you can't tell the difference.
Okay. Alright, thanks for watching guys. I will see you on Friday. Let me know if you like this video by putting a like up, and if you want me to keep making videos for Monday as well as Friday, let me know. And yeah, see you on Friday. Bye. Do you know what I hate? When you automatically bloody update and now I've got to bloody wait for you, but you mother...